Every time I wear this perfume, I swear my heart goes dancing back again to the times we had. And now I think it's sad that I never told you how I cared. I know that years from now you probably won't recall. Oh, but I will feel the way you made my heart rise and fall when you told me that I'm beautiful tonight. But there's something in your heart that makes you think this just isn't right. And I know that you're not gonna change your mind, and I'll lose you with the daylight. But I promise you it's alright. Don't think twice. I'm fine.
Do you wish to marry this woman?
Yes, I do.
Will you love her, honor her, comfort her, and keep her in sickness and in health, and be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I will.
And I know the years from now you probably won't.
Sure. Do you wish to marry this man?
Yes, I do.
Will you love him, honor him, comfort him, and keep him in sickness and in health, and be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I will.
May your lives be forever intertwined, your love keeping you together. May you promise to share hopes, thoughts, and dreams as you build your married life together. So it is with great pleasure that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss the bride.
Oh, how fitting that you made me smile the biggest can. Also make my eyes run dry. Oh, 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 how fitting that you made me smile the biggest can. Also make my eyes run dry. When you told me that I'm beautiful, I cried. Because I'll never be the one you think is right. You're never gonna change your mind. Don't think twice. I'm fine. I'm